1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. All right, here's another one. 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's do both of those again on the beat. So we got 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So the idea of that is pushing. One of them is starting on the beat. 1 and 2 and that's starting on the beat 1. When we start before the beat 1 on 4 and, that's pushing. 4 and 1 and 2 and. We'll keep getting into this during the lessons, but that's the idea of the rhythm stuff. Now let's pull up the tempo a little bit. And now let's just play a little bit of copycat. Key of C. 3, 4. Here's again. Three, 4. Again, 3, 4. I think that one was a little bit different, but let's do one more. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.